The paper plastic wood process begins by converting mixed plastic waste into powder. The mixed plastics move up a conveyor, and fall into the main shredder hopper. The shredded pieces fall from the main shredder onto a conveyor belt which carries them up to the hydropulper for washing. The seawater makes cleaning the plastic pieces quick and easy. Once the plastic is clean, the hydropulper is turned off, and the plastic pieces are allowed to settle. This demonstration shows how when seawater of a specific density is added to mixed plastics, the lighter plastics rise to the surface while the heavier plastics sink to the bottom. When all the pieces have separated, the lighter plastics are skimmed from the surface of the seawater. These are the plastics that are used in the paper plastic wood process. The heavier pieces at the bottom of the hydropulper can be flushed out, dried, and sold as mixed plastic regrind. The lighter plastics move up another conveyor and are dumped into the plastic crusher machine while they are still wet. The plastic crusher machine crushes the plastic pieces. When they exit the plastic crusher, they fall onto another conveyor, which takes them to the drying area. The plastics are dried in a rotating barrel using heat. After they enter the dryer, they come out of the other end of the barrel clean and dry. They can now be pulverized in the plastic pulverizer. 2 plastic pulverizers need to be used because the throughput is slower than the other shredders. It takes a little more time to convert the clean plastic pieces to powder in the pulverizer. As you can see, the powder produced by the pulverizer is very fine and can now be added to the paper slurry to make paper plastic wood. The second stage of the paper plastic wood manufacturing process is simple. It is the pulping of the mixed paper. All the mixed paper is carried by a conveyor, and dumped into the hydropulper, while it is fed with hot seawater. The plastic powder made earlier from the mixed plastics can now be added to the paper pulp slurry. Once thoroughly mixed, a peristaltic pump transfers the paper plastic wood slurry to the molding area, using a flexible hose or pipe. In the molding area, a worker fills molds with paper plastic wood slurry. When a mold is full, it is moved by conveyor to the dewatering area. Dewatering uses a press, which squeezes the water out of the paper plastic wood slurry. This forms the slurry into a hard, compressed shape in the mold. After all the water is squeezed out by the press, the mold is removed from the piece. The piece now moves down another conveyor to the dehydration and baking area. The paper plastic wood shape is loaded into a special oven which dehydrates and cooks the piece. The oven also kills all bacteria, insect, or fungi infestations, thus creating a paper plastic wood finished product. The end product is similar to thermally modified wood products. Thank you for watching and have a great day.